Okay, so this is a tutorial video for the Year 7 Sunwise tone poem composition, and this video will focus on the first task. So it's the level 3 and level 4 task. We're composing a leitmotif using the pentatonic scale. Pentatonic scale, it means a 5-note scale, and the notes we're going to need for this are C, D, E, G, and A. And the leitmotif, as it represents sunwise, we want it to be ascending, just as the sun does in the morning. So let's go to BandLab. We're going to choose an instrument track. So for this task, as it's sunwise, for me sunwise is quite quiet and gentle, so I'm going to go for a instrument with a smooth timbre. You can of course choose any instrument you want. So I'm going to choose strings, and I'm going to go for a violin sound. So I go to here, can have a listen. Yeah, violin. Okay, now you'll notice here it's gone to octave 4 because the violin's a higher pitch. So my notes are C, D, E, G, and A. But if I go to BandLab, it doesn't actually tell me this. So to find that out, you click on pitch here, and now it tells me what the notes are. So here I see my first 3 notes are C, D, and E, and then G and A are there. If I go back to pitch, then I can see what the notes are on the keyboard. So ZXCBN. Now, if I feel like those are a bit low, I can make those higher. So for mine, I'm actually going to make them higher by using this here. So octave plus makes it go up an octave. So I've gone up to octave 5. So those same keys are now higher. I now need to record my melody, so I'm going to make sure my metronome is on and press play and have a bit of a practice. You'll notice here my tempo is slower. Okay, so I would recommend changing your tempo to 80 or 90, just so it's not too fast. So when you click play, you will hear the metronome, and I can practice. And once you're happy, you can then record. So level 3 is a 2-bar leitmotif which uses the pentatonic scale. So for example, this could be so that's 2 bars long, and it uses the pentatonic scale. Let's have a listen. For level 4, I don't necessarily need to add to that. What I can do for level 4, so instead of doing what I've done for level 3, for level 4, I need to make sure it's longer, so 4 bars, and that it's ascending. And I'm still sticking to those 5 notes. To make it ascending, what I would need to do is go up and then continue to go up. So what I've done now is I'm using the next set of notes. So here is C, D, E, G, and A. So I'm not just sticking to those bottom 5. Okay, you can use any C, D, E, G, A, any of them. So I'm going to go up, work my way up the keyboard, just as the sun works its way up in the mornings. So I can delete what I've done by clicking backspace or delete, go back to the beginning, and now I'm going to record a 4-bar leitmotif. Now, the notes didn't all go up, 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 okay? An ascending pattern just means it's moving upwards. So you can see sometimes I'm going down, but generally I'm moving up, and I finish higher than I started. I started on the C down here, and I finished on the C an octave higher. So this is now a level 4 because it's ascending. Okay, so that is a 4-bar leitmotif using the pentatonic scale, and it was an ascending pattern. So that was level 4.